Hello guys. Hello everyone. Hello my friends. Today, February 24, February the 14th. Okay, this morning, let me take about 1 hour introducing our machine and our factory because we are spring machine manufacturer in Dongguan city. Our factory is very close, just within 1 hour from our factory to Canton Fair site. Okay. Firstly, let me show you around. This is the one heavy-duty spring foam machine for just the running up showcase how it's running because this one came with wire rotary. We are spring machine manufacturer, and this is our site for spring foaming machine. Here's on the side as presently 5 sets already and coming for the soonest dispatch. This one came with wire rotary. This one came with wire rotary. Okay. So, firstly, let me introduce myself. This is my contact. We are spring machine manufacturer. This is my contact. This is my contact. Baker, export manager, my WhatsApp, my WeChat. So if you have the send or if you have planning for the coming purchase on spring machine, on spring coiling machine or spring foaming machine, add my WhatsApp, add my WeChat, send me your task, send me your sample pictures, send me your drawing to my WhatsApp. And for more video introducing our factory, our spring machine, our machine running, our sampling, you can visit my video bank at YouTube, video bank, or you can keep eyes on my daily posting at Facebook site. Okay, this is my contact. We are spring machine manufacturer. 来帮我搞尾目录来。啊，产品目录啊。This is our camelist one. Camelist. Yeah. We are spring machine manufacturer, middle-sized in South China. And today, February the 14th, this morning, temperature about 18 Celsius degree, so it's comfortable. It's coming for a small raining, so today is comfortable. And Friday, take 1 hour introducing our factory, our machine, our ability, our develop policy, and our order policy. Because we are middle size, we get the order, then mostly our machine have no stock. Get the order to make the machine, install it down, go next, running up, sampling. After sampling completed, we mostly the client been to our factory get a period free time training, and the training for domestic clients taking 2 to 2 to 5 days of foreign clients take free training, 3 to 6 days and max to 9 days for free using training at our site. Okay, this one, the cam type spring forming machine. Cam type spring forming machine for feeding wire length. Feeding wire length 0.2 max to 10 millimeter. Max to 10 millimeter. This is our catalog. Every year during summer in June or May, early stage of June or May, every year we will attend Guangzhou International Spring Industry Exhibition. This is our catalog. Provide you the catalog English, Chinese, telling the key parameters to every models, as well the brief introduction about our factory. We are middle-sized with total staff 23%. Total staff 23%. Middle-sized, we get the order, then running for installing the machine, then running up, sampling, and the client come to our factory to provide a free using training. After the training, then the machine goes for a dispatch. This is our catalog. This one, cam type wire rotary spring forming machine. Cam type wire rotary spring forming machine. Check every of them for 5 axis, 6 axis, 3 models on this page. 3 models, wire 0.5 max to 6 millimeter. 3 models on this page. And some of the typical or regular samples we ever made. We do a lot of deal to every content, as like South America, USA, Canada, Mexico, Brazil, Argentina, Australia, South Africa, and also as European countries as Poland, Romania, Russia, Belarus. This page, 6 models. First line, cam type, no wire rotary. Price competitive. This is the most price competitive series. And the baseline, cam type with wire rotary. Cam type with wire rotary. This is our spring coiling machine. Our spring coiling machine. We have 2 axis series, 4 axis series, and 6 axis. CNC spring coiling machine, also called compression spring machine, and the samples, some samples in variety of size, variety of shapes, also variety of the wire size from 0.15 max to 6 millimeter. Variety of type, variety of using site, variety of shape. For here's you can see, and this is the mold spring. Mold spring in the machinery mold spring. A lot of using site as the daily life, household, industrial machinery, tested equipment, high precision for medical purpose as like the guide wheel to insert the human body's lung or stomach or intestines. This one telling our special purpose export special purpose machine for typical function. For example, the first one for conveyor belt related, conveyor belt chocolate coating, chocolate enrolling, wire mesh, food grades to process is widely used as like chocolate related procession conveyor belt. And secondly, this pipe, creep, hose, clamp, pipe, creep, or hose, clamp. And the number 3 for wire straightening machine. Wire straightening machine. Number 4 for tailed thread insert. Tailed thread insert. Thread sleeve making machine. And the number 4 for tailed thread insert making machine. M2.5 to M8. These 3 types for conveyor belt related. Conveyor belt related. For the wire 0.4 max to 4 millimeter. The middle size, the middle, this model for wire 0.6 to 4 millimeter. Conveyor belt, chocolate coating, chocolate enrolling. Samples. Here's the samples. The floor set with wire decoil. Okay, once again, this is my contact. This is my contact. We are spring machine manufacturer, founded 2004, 2005. This is my contact. We are GuangJin spring machine, GSM, GuangJin spring machine in Dongguan City. Okay, we are spring machine manufacturer in Dongguan City. From our factory to Canton Fair site, take 1 hour, 53 kilometers. Also from our factory to Guangzhou International Airport, within 75 kilometers. We take a car ride, about 70 minutes. This, my contact details. Okay, for more videos, if you have inquiry or coming for the purchase, you can send me your drawing or sample pictures to my WhatsApp, to my WeChat. 感觉像那个2个资本家在盯着一个长工一样啊。This is some of the samples. Okay, my friends, if you have the same or similar one, send me a drawing or send me a picture. Also, once if you come to our factory, come to South China, you can take 2 or 3 hours. Take 2 or 3 hours. Come to our factory. Let's have a face-to-face discussion, face-to-face meeting. Bring along with your samples, or give me your sampling pictures, sampling drawing. We will find the best solution for you. Next time, my friends, once you come to South China, take 2 or 3 hours to our factory to have our on-site audit to check my machines, check our ability, check our quality control. Okay, then we can have a face-to-face business discussion. The samples. As value of products. Torsion, double torsion, wire forming products. Torsion, double torsion, wire forming, wire bending products. We can provide length, area of length, professional solution. If you have the same or similar one, if you have inquiry, if you have a plan for the purchase spring machine, spring forming, coiling, and the spring bending machine, okay, send me your drawing to my WhatsApp. Send me your drawing to my or files, sample pictures to my WhatsApp. This one, while bending, while forming, every of samples, same or similar, send me your drawing to my WhatsApp. Okay. Once again, this is my contact. This is my we are middle-sized spring machine manufacturer in Dongguan, South China. It's very close to Hong Kong, to Shenzhen, to Guangzhou, and our factory just within 1 hour from our factory to Canton Fair site. My offers next time, once you are visiting the related fair, related mental procession exhibition, you can spare 2 or 3 hours come to our factory, because our factory is just within 1 hour drive, a light to our factory. And add my WhatsApp, my WeChat. So my offers, this one is the camelist with wire rotary. Here's the wire rotary, with wire rotary, and wire feeder feeding the wire, move ahead, go through the wire rotary, the wire feeding, 4 pair feeding rows, camelist with wire rotary, 4 pair feeding rows. Then goes to the work panel. Here's the work panel. The work panel. This work panel, 6 feet, 1.83 meter, and 1.86. The work panel, the gray, the work panel. So a whole set tools divided into the wire feeding tools and the product forming tools, wire feeding tools and the product forming tools, and the wire feeding tools including feeding rods, guiding plates, and the forming tools including the manger, the forming side manger, and the cutter, coiling finger, leer, and the spinner tools. Different tasks using, we will make some adjustments according to the task length. If it's the complex or longer one, we will use the manger extended as longer. Okay, so here's the 8 sliders. Camelist, every slider driven by 1 servo motor directly, and this is the program. So a whole task divided into 2 field, 2 system. Is the tool and the program, tool and plus program to forming a product. For example, presently is running. Presently, the program running for mass producing this one, 6 millimeter carbon steel tent, camp, 4 corner, ground stake, ground nail, at rate about 12 pieces per minute, 10 to 12 pieces per minute. This one, the sample, and the program is running for this. Ground tent camp, ground nail, this one. We can also add in one slider, add a sharpening device to sharpen the starting site, to make adding a sharpening device. Here we can add on here or add on here a sharpening device. This is the spinner. So we can also add up to 13 axes of the servo cutter. For example, we can add the servo slider here or here. 8 sliders. The layer, the slider, the tool holder, the head pad, bite, fasten the tools. The tools material is tool steel. The tool steel material is tool steel. The spinner 2 kilowatt. So every of land every land 4.5 kilowatts and 80 centimeter, 80 meter. This is the measure. This is the measure 88 centimeter. And the programming, here's the programming. Chinese, English, Spanish. Also, we do a lot of deer customized land as Spanish. Customized land as Spanish, Portuguese, or Russian, because we do a lot of deer for this heavy duty spring forming machine. Do a lot of deer for agriculture purpose, for the lake time, lake teeth, agriculture purpose, for harvester, for strawberry. This do a lot of deer for the agriculture purpose, use making lake time, lake teeth, like do a lot of deer. We have a lot of orders, client using this or similar machine, mass producing the lake time, lake teeth. My offers, this machine or this or similar with sold a lot of deer to every content of the world. Client using this machine or similar mass producing agriculture purpose for lake time, lake teeth, while 4 to 8, mostly 4 to 8 millimeter. Material carbon steel or mostly carbon steel. Agriculture purpose, lake time, lake teeth. To the country also like Poland, Belarus, Russia, South Africa, Argentina, Brazil, Mexico, Australia. Also the north part of China. Also like Ukraine, Romania, Turkey, Ukraine, Romania, Turkey, Poland, Russia, Belarus, Argentina, Mexico, Brazil, Australia, South Africa. For the lake time, lake teeth, because this country or regions have a big grassland, have a big plan, big grassland, is advanced in agriculture industry. Meanwhile, we are spring machine manufacturer at provide various type of the machines to covering a high range of different products. Next, I'll show you some of the samples. Firstly, this machine, what this machine can make. Show you. Like this one and like this. Heavy duty 6 millimeter stainless steel pipe clamp. heavy duty, 7 mm carbon steel, extension spring, tight loops, central hook, German style or British style extension spring. This used in outdoor activities. For example, like the wheelie type of vehicles, trucks. For his brake system, his 7 mm carbon steel tight loops, two period of tight loops, and the center is straight line, and the side central hook, 7 carbon steel, extension spring, not special shape, extension spring, tight loop, two period tight loops, center is straight. Extension spring. And the wire bending products, wire bending, wire forming products. The regular extension spring. We are spring machine manufacturer. We also have the compression spring machine covering the feeding wire from 0.15 max to 6 millimeter for compression spring, like this compression spring. Here's the one. Compression spring. Compression. Tower shape. Like a drum. Value of size, value of wire size, value of shifts. Suspension, anti-vibration. Suspension, anti-vibration. Thick wire, this one, 6 millimeter carbon steel, suspension, anti-vibration. Suspension, anti-vibration, used in outdoor activities as like mountain bike, mountain bicycle, for electric scooter, for scooter, anti-vibration as his front tire or rear tire, front tire and the rear tire. Also using in the bicycles seat pad, bicycle seat pad, anti-vibration. Of the list, flat rectangle at base, flat at top, conic, tower shape, anti-vibration, 4 millimeter carbon steel, using in lighting holder, as outdoor sports. For example, as like high jump matches, high jump cushion. Spiral, flat stainless steel, constant force spring, spiral spring using sight. For example, the car's seat self belt, tape measure, mechanic watch, traditional clock, car's seat self belt, at variety of size, at variety of shapes. This using in umbrella as one part of umbrella accessory. Flat stainless steel. The wire bending, wire twisted products, special wire twisted, wire bending products. The sleeve spring, pitch with gap in the middle stage and the tight ropes at both ends. Sleeve spring to protect the wire, protect the signal or cable or power wire, to protect its outer isolation layer. The blender stick, juice blender or egg blender stick, juice blender or egg blender stick, stainless steel food grade SUS 304 or 316, 5 millimeter, egg blender or juice blender. This is the welding site, welding together. We make this, our machine make this period and then bending. This is the bending side. So we can make this period. Ice blender or juice blender, food grade stainless steel 4 or 5 millimeter. This one special unregular compression spring, using the pitch get wider and wider, and the OD, outer diameter, get wider and wider. Narrow, this is using as one part in automatic drink selling machine, automatic beverage selling machine. The pipe clamp, the pipe clip. We have a machine only mass producing this in output rate about 18 pieces per minute, from 15 to 20 pieces per minute. This 3 millimeter stainless steel, 156 millimeter, 156 millimeter. This one, spiral stainless steel. We call this sleeve spring to protect it that goes to insert the power cable, or signal wire, protect its outer isolation layer. This using inside with high temperature or high humidity. High temperature or high humidity. This one, wire forming products, compact mobile phone holder used in daily life. And the wire bending products, flat or cubic, 2 dimension or 3 dimension, wire bending, wire forming. This conveyor belt, flat type conveyor belt. The stainless steel with a lot of puncture holes. Max 2, wide, 15 millimeter. Max thickness of material, 1.5 millimeter. Honeycomb, horseshoe, flat conveyor belt, used in food processing industry, also in conveyor transport or the express using field. wire forming, wire bending products. This is one part using in ice fishing part. One of the ice fishing part. Simple torsion spring using in the mattress get rusted. This sample get rusted. So this is the carbon steel. As well, this one, automatic compression spring using in automatic beverage selling machine, automatic drink selling machine, automatic beverage selling machine. Extension spring, the spiral over is belong to non-regular compression spring. Household simple shape hooks and household stainless steel 1.8 millimeter tight one wire bending hook in household or in bathroom or kitchen. The sleeve spring using nearby the car's engine with high temperature or high humidity using site. For example, the family household water meter using this to guide it through the signal wire. Spiral spring. Meanwhile, I show you something. We do a lot of deal for the conveyor belt related products. This one in my hand, 2.5 foot grade stainless steel SUS 304 conveyor belt, 2.5 millimeter, single hook at both ends, 2.5 foot grade stainless steel to make in different shape, different height, or different long lengths. This one, my right hand, 1.5 millimeter, and this one in my left hand, 1.8, almost 1.8 meter. So here's a whole pitch can extend it many times to make it as the single unit length and different as you wish. You can make it as 30 centimeter extended max to 2.5 meter. We do a lot of deal for this. This is our one of the special development. It was over 12 years. Foot grade conveyor belt, wire mesh, chocolate coating, chocolate enloving. And this one, flat honeycomb horseshoe for the foot grade, for the foot procession machinery or foot procession line. For fruit wash, for the conveyor of heavy as magazines goods express cargoes. This is the one. 2.5 stainless steel single hook, one piece, 60 centimeter. So our machine made the single unit take time of one single unit about 18 seconds. 18 seconds, one piece. Then bending piece by piece and weaved together piece by piece, extended meter by meter. So 1 meter can weaved within 12 minutes. Stainless steel, food grade, conveyor belt, cubic, 3 dimension. This smaller size, 1.2 forky stainless steel double hook at both ends. This is double hook at both ends. 1.2 forky stainless steel, 1 meter long, the single unit, and weaved by hand by simple fixture. Hello, my friend. This machine is running, just the showcase is the camless spring forming machine with wire rotary. It goes for mostly client by this machine. This one is the heavy duty camless with wire rotary spring forming machine, and this or similar one mostly client using for agriculture purpose, making lake tan, lake teeth, mostly using for make this lake tan, lake teeth, mostly using for this lake tan, lake teeth, and for heavy duty on regular springs, also like this, on regular extension spring, heavy duty. This goes for 8 millimeter precision, handling the wire 8 millimeter. Can handling the material as the long wire, because this one with wire twisted, wire rotary function. Precision, the long wire. And this machine divided into 5 main parts. 5 main parts. The wire decoil, the cabinet, the work panel, the chassis for its electric parts, and the control system. The program and the control system by the parts divided into the screen, keyboard, mice, handle, buttons, and the presently is 12 axes as total presently. So this machine for agriculture purpose must producing lake time, lake teeth for harvester, for straw baler. Another is for special purpose wire bending, wire forming products for the complicated products with a lot of twist, including a lot of plans, a lot of turning or spiraling. Okay, once more, we are spring machine manufacturer in Dongguan City. This is my contact. You can add my WhatsApp and my WeChat. This is big export sales manager. We are mid-sized spring machine manufacturer. So please add my WhatsApp, my WeChat. Send me your join. Or next time, once you visiting South China, you can take 2 or 3 hours, come to our factory for a face-to-face business discussion to talk about our cooperation. If you have a plan for the coming spring machine purchase, you can also take a time to visit us, visit our factory, make an audit to get better, a deeper understanding our machine, our solutions, and our technique ability. Okay, I show you around for the other machines. This one, the Camelis 11 axis. This one, max for 2.5 millimeter. This one, max for 2.5. This is Camelis 11 axis. With this, we call the spinner, the tools, the forming tools. This is the forming tools. This we call the manger, the manger. This we call the manger. The tools. Material of the tools is tool steel at different shapes, Okay, this goes for client from France, and this heavy duty spring forming machine. 5 parts: wire decoil, the chamber, the work panel, the control system, and the electric parts, as like server, power supply, transformer. How's running? It's running semicircle 180 degree from the lowest side to the highest side. This is the forming side. This just the showcase. Once we open the wire feeding, it's now this program running for 10 cam, 4-corner ground stick. Okay, this is our assembly site. We can provide you, once you ordered our machine, we can provide you free using training at our site. Okay, thank you.